was only a kid when I left Earth. And I had no idea what the universe had in store for me. Our world are facing an unstoppable threat. You guys are our last chance. I guess we stuck together, partners.
Are you telling me that the fate of 12 billion people is in the hand of a thief, 2 thugs, a murderer, and a maniac?
That might not be the best idea. We were not staying by as evil wipes out billions of innocent lives.
Why would you risk your life for this?
Because I know life giving us a chance. If we don't protect the galaxy, who will?
We'll follow your lead.
Oh, this is gonna hurt. I have a plan. You got a plan. I have part of a plan. That's a fake laugh. It's real. Totally fake. I am Groot. Thank you. What is that? It's a bomb, and you leave it lying around? I was going put it in a box. What's the box gonna do? You wanna suck with this party I've ever seen?
You guys are our last chance. I guess we're stuck together. Partners.
Are you telling me the fate of 12 billion people is in the hands of a thief,